Hey friends, welcome to my channel All in One Life. Today we have come up with an unboxing on one of the best headphone, that is EKSA E3000. So let's begin. As you can see, I have purchased it from Amazon, and as soon as we open this box, when we just open the box, we get to see the it's not coming. Yes. Very hard to take out. And here we get the door. So let's keep that aside. And let me tell you the main specs. On the box, the main specification is given like EKSA branding, and here it's written 24 months extended warranty. Here it's given that it's available on, it can be used with PC, Mac, iOS, Android, PS4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and here gaming headset. On the left hand side we just get the EKSA branding, and at the back of the side we get the package content, and which I will let you know as I will unbox the package. And here some information is given, and at the right hand side of this package we get stereo sound, high definition microphone, ear protection, soft ear muff, comfortable to wear. So let's begin with this unboxing. And on the top also we get, if you can see, that 3000 rupees the MRP is written, but you will get much less price. Now let's see the box contents. On the front we get a brand new headphone in a carry pouch, which is really of good quality, and inside this we have the headphone. Let's keep that aside and let's see what else we get. We get a carry pouch like type, and in this package we get guiding loops. It's very thick, quite thick than a smartphone, but why do we need it for a headset? Okay. And we get a warranty, registered and official warranty means you have to activate this 24 months 24 months warranty card on their site. Here is a free gift coupon, which is you can use it. And here we get the audio wise splitter for some old PCs. Like some of you would have old PCs to combine the headphone and the microphone jack. Actually, these small things matter a lot sometimes. So now let's come to the headset. We will talk about it later. Okay. Yeah, we get the headset. Let's keep the pouch here. So my first impressions, if I tell, really it looks very premium, and it's quite very light. Okay, so you can see here the RGB light will be there, and here is the EKSA branding. In this also you get a spectrum type thing. I have purchased of black color. You can also get of silver color. The same on this side. And this elastic band, you can also see the elastic headband, which properly fits to your head actually, and makes it very comfortable to wear. And if I talk about the ear cups, they are really very soft, and these are quite large, which will cover your ears full. It means your full ear will be covered, and you get a better sound quality. Now when we have come to a sound quality, let me tell you that it has 60 audio drivers, and as we and you know that the more the size of driver, better is the quality of sounds. I have listened some of the songs and I experienced that the bass is a bit punchy, which is good as we Indians like a lot, and treble is awesome. Here it's wire, we get a wire, and here is the microphone from the front. I show here is the microphone which is not detachable. And now you would also wonder about the build quality of wire, as it is a wired headphone, right? So here you can see that the wire is, see, I'm able to show you that the wire is fully braided. Okay, and so which is not going to break easily. And although something error happens with this device, you make sure you have a 2-year warranty on this headset, so make sure that the headset's warranty is active. And here is nothing but volume controller and mute switch. Now if we come to the output, on the output we get two types of outputs. One is the 3.5mm jack with a cover, nice. These small things I told you matter a lot. And a USB type A. The USB type A is only meant for RGB lighting. At the I showed you this site, I will show you the RGB light also. So here the RGB light effect will be there, and this the USB type is that is, I told that it's meant for RGB lighting, and you get 6 different colors changing one by one, which makes it more premium. The other 3.5mm jack is just meant for audio output, which can easily be plugged into your mobile or your other device. And if in mobile also you want an RGB effect, then you can use OTG cable, links given below. Now we have talked a lot about the headset, but let's get to the microphone attached to it. First of all, as I told you before, that the microphone is undetachable, means you will not be able to remove the microphone from this set. But you also get a plus point, as I told, that the microphone can be rotated in any direction, means it's fully flexible, like you want to use it. And if you want to know about the mic quality, let us check the quality of sound later. Now you would hear a sound. Now the sound you can hear is of this microphone. I am speaking a little bit softly to experience the microphone properly. And as I told you before, that this headset fits properly on your ears, full covering, which will give you one of the best experience while gaming or multimedia or while doing online classes. I am recording the voice in Poco M2. If you have not watched yet the unboxing, you can see the I button on the top right of your side, and comment down the quality of microphone you can experience in the video, so you could experience a good quality microphone. And at last, I'm just concluding that it is one of the best headphones under this price point. You should definitely go for this one. The best buy link is given in the description. So if you liked this video, please do share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel. And do you want to know the RGB lighting? Just see the RGB lighting. At last, I have, for the viewers who watch my full video, I have kept a surprise to show them the RGB lighting. See, the USB I have connected to my desktop, and audio jack is now empty, recording with, so you get RGB lighting here, which automatically changes. Yeah, hope you all liked it. So don't forget to subscribe the channel, and please share with your friends, those who want to buy a headset. Thank you for watching.